Hey everybody, on this video I've got a 2000 Lexus RX 300 lock and the TOY48 Lishi. This is not going to be a picking video. I'll look for that probably next video after this one. I'll do a picking video on it. I was actually speaking with Mr. Lee's right-hand man, and he was explaining to me that these can be direct read with this without having to actually pick them. And using something like Instacode, it says it's about 100% accurate if you're using Instacode to verify that you're getting a valid code. Now, I had a little bit of trouble figuring it out, so I did end up picking the lock and reading it. And then once I did that, I understood what he was talking about, and we're going to demonstrate that here. So let me zoom in here. Basically, what you do is if you apply counterclockwise rotation, and you can actually direct read the A side. If you apply clockwise, you can direct read the B side. And what you're looking for is the wafer springing back a little bit. If it's springing back, that's your reading. If it's stiff, go ahead and pick it, you get a click, and wherever it bounces out there, that's going to be your cut. So I'm going to demonstrate that here. So I'm going to do some counterclockwise rotation. I've got the A lifter. And see, this is what was messing me up here. See, that's springing right there, and I was actually pushing past that. So there's a little bit of spring, indicates number one is a one cut. So now we'll go to A going up, which is going to be on the, let's see, number 2 here. And that goes down to a 3, so we have 1, 3. Now we'll head to number 3. And number 3 is actually binding right here. So I can get the other lifter out of the way here. It gets kind of crowded. So see, no spring at all. It's dead. Okay, so I push past it, click, and now it's going springing at number 5, so that's going to be a number 5. So we have 1, 3, 5. Now number 4 on the A side is going to be going up, and that is springing at number 3, so that's going to be a number 3 cut. And then the last one on the A side will be, okay, see, it's binding again. That's so I can get the other lifter out of the way so we can see. Okay, see, it's no spring at all, so push past it until I get a click. I might have to back off tension a hair. And that's a number 5 cut. So our A side is going to be 1, 3, 5, 3, 5. Okay, so now we apply tension going in a clockwise direction. We can now read the B side. So on the B side here in the first position, okay, we got spring back right there, so that's going to be a number 1. And then going up, spring back. See, it is springing back, so number 1 again. So we have 1, 1. Spring back, so 1, 1, 1. And then number 4. Okay, it goes all the way to 5 and springing at 5, so that's going to be a 5. And then the last one. Okay, so that's 1, 1, 1, 5, 1. Now, if we were to punch that into Instacode, okay, so our fine bidding, and our bidding on this was 1, 3, 5, 3, 5, and 1, 1, 1, 5, 1, fine bidding. And it gives us a valid key code of 43701, so that confirms that we at least have a legit code. We can go cut a key on it. And I've actually cut the key, which the key is right here. And this actually does work. So it's basically, you know, if you get one that's not binding at all, that's springy, that's going to be your cut. Even if it springs a little bit, it's going to be a 1. That was the hardest one for me to detect. And then if it's completely dead, you know, you just basically pick it, and wherever it stops at, that is, you know, wherever it springs to there, that's going to be your cut. So that's actually direct reading a lock here with the TOY48 Lishi. Questions and comments, please put them in the comments. Be happy to answer them. And well, yeah, I guess I don't have anything else for this one, guys. So we'll talk to everybody later.